Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I will be showing you how to use Calendly to schedule group meetings. So this feature is ideal for setting up team meetings, workshops, or any event that involves multiple participants. So of course guys, the first thing you need to do here is of course to log into your Calendly account. And here you can see here the event types. So once you're in, you just need to click on this new event type. So here on this side, and then after that one is you'll be able to see several options for the type of meeting you want to create. So for a group meeting, select group from the options. As you can see here, one host with group of invitees. You just need to tap on this one. So this is good for webinars, online classes, and others. So after you tap on this one, let's set up the details for your group meeting. So you just need to give your event name, such as team check-in or client workshop. You can also set the duration and add a brief description so attendees know what to expect. So you can also add a location if it's in person or add a video conference link for virtual meetings. So here guys, one of the great things about these group events in this website is that you can control the number of people who can join. So under invitee settings, set the maximum number of invitees allowed for this meeting. So don't forget guys to put a event name here before you tap on the continue button. So here, if you want to make sure that everyone's schedule are considered, you can also sync this Calendly with your Google, Outlook, or other calendars. So you just need to go to the integrations. So here, I might just need to type here research meeting. And then now that your group event will be ready after this one, I'm gonna just add a location because this meeting is in person. So after this one, guys, is you can now continue. And then now that your group event is now ready, it's time to share the link. So after that one, you just need to click on this done button and then you will be back on the main dashboard of this website. So here, just need to look for this one, tap on this button, the done. And then now you can share it through email. So here you just need to copy the link provided on the event type page. You can share it through email, messaging apps, or even embed it on your website. And that's how it's easy to use this website for scheduling group meetings. So this feature is perfect for coordinating with multiple people with all the back and forth emails. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.